In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the API key on the Figma Brandbird plugin. Whether you're a designer looking to enhance your workflow or someone new to API integration in design tools, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. Let's begin our journey by heading over to Figma. If you're unfamiliar, Figma is a popular collaborative interface design tool that offers tremendous capabilities for designers. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account, enter your credentials and click on the Log In button. This step is crucial because you need to be logged into your Figma account to make any modifications or access your projects and plugins. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to the home screen of Figma. This is your central hub where you can access all your projects, files and teams. From here, you'll want to navigate to where you keep your design files. Specifically, click on Design from your navigation options. This action will lead you to the workspace where you can manage and edit your design projects. Next, it's time to pinpoint the plugin that needs our attention. Brandbird. Within the design section, search for Brandbird in the plugin menu. Figma has a robust system for plugins, and Brandbird is an excellent tool for managing branding assets directly within Figma. Once you've found Brandbird in the list, click on it to proceed to the next step. With Brandbird selected, you'll now be ready to perform a critical function. Click on Run within the plugin interface. This action will execute the plugin's functionalities and prepare it for further customization and use. At this point, the main focus is on applying the API key. Once you see the option to do so, click Apply. This mechanism ensures that the API key you enter is effectively configured within the Brandbird plugin, enabling it to seamlessly interact with other design tools and assets. Remember, the API key is the bridge that connects Brandbird with external resources, expanding its utility and integration capabilities. And there you have it. By following these detailed instructions, you've successfully set up the API key on the Figma Brandbird plugin. This process opens up new possibilities for managing and enhancing your design projects, allowing for greater creativity and efficiency. Don't forget to explore what Brandbird has to offer now that it's fully integrated, and feel free to revisit these steps if you need a refresher. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials that empower your design journey. See you in the next video.